Dude.
I don't know why it's being called.
Alright, once again, we're gonna look at the fridge and freezer. Looks like an ice maker.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right here.
refrigerator.
I took pictures.
What's this? Do you know?
Nope. Oh, it's a dumbwaiter. This is the dumbwaiter
Oh, that's cool.
in that corner. Entrance.
We're going upstairs now?
Yeah, Snoodle. Snoodle, will you fix the table?
Yeah.
And in here is just a little room. It's got a couple of chairs. The Tupperware thing, cat. All the inner workings. Tupperwares.
There's nothing to hang up on now. I'm just
Space.
Did you guys make this basket?
Ooh. Ooh, the basket. It's a big one. You could put a couple babies in there.
I don't know what we could put in there.
Babies.
Babies, okay. Didn't Mom used to have a table like that, Joel?
Oh yeah, it's the bottom part of a sewing machine. So there's another little table.
What else is in here?